Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're looking here at Dvlt AI stock, which is down today by 4%. I'm giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on what is going on over the course of the video. If you do enjoy it, please make sure to subscribe and help the channel. Now jumping straight in, you are seeing a number of things playing out here. The stock is of course down today, but I don't think this is as bad as many people may see. I want to zoom out a bit to show this in context, and again, this is really what matters, in my opinion at least, with a lot of these stocks. You may look at 4% today and think it's terrible, but in context, this stock is actually doing a few things very well. We've seen a major run up with a particularly sharp spike around the 3rd all the way up to about the 7th. Now we are seeing the stock obviously cool off. We're seeing a bit of consolidation, and I think this just adds to that trend after this second leg up. We are seeing some very healthy consolidation here, and again, the fact this stock is not really tanking is a very good sign in my opinion. We're also staying above key levels of support around 185. That is a good sign. We're also staying above supports around 192. It looks like the new support is around $2, which could be a very interesting point. So do pay attention to that 198/$2 figure into the next couple of days. That is where my potential support is. I think below that, very easily looking at supports at 193, very easily looking at supports at 185. None of those figures would actually concern me given the recent price increase. At the same time, this in my opinion is still ultimately consolidation this week. Today's not been bad. You know, you're seeing the RSI now cooling off a little bit more, coming up to neutral, and I think ultimately we are forming the base, the support levels, and if you look back on the stock's history, especially in the last few months, we haven't seen these levels, right? We're now consolidating in a lot more of a healthy manner. We don't want to see stocks come up with no potential floor. We are seeing a floor now forming for the next potential leg up. I think this is very exciting and ultimately a good sign. Now coming back in, levels to break out to, if we can, 225, you're looking all the way up to 230, 235. Past 235, I think you're easily looking for 245, 250, past 250, easily up to 260, and all the way on to levels such as 275. So those are the numbers on my mind. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments. Thank you for your time, guys, and goodbye for now.